Hey guys, my name is Kim and I'm here to show you how to change a battery on an H200 control unit. You're going to need a small screwdriver and a AAA rechargeable battery. It needs to be rechargeable. You could order them through Bioness. The first thing you're going to do is find the little serial number on the back of the control unit. Go ahead and peel it back and you're going to see where you could open up the port using your screwdriver. Next, you will take your AAA rechargeable battery, pop out the old one, and replace the new one. Go ahead and place the cover back on and screw it in. And there you go. You'll know that the H200 battery needs to be changed because when you go in the morning to take a look at all your equipment, you should notice a green solid dash in this window right here. If it's been charging all night and you don't see the dash or you see a little circle going round and round, then you know maybe it's time to change the battery. The batteries should be changed once every year. So once you change them, mark that on your calendar and you'll know to change it again next year.